Hi, my name is Yuriy Kolesnichenko. I'm a sonologist from Moscow, Russia, and this is a lecture about female pelvis ultrasound, transabdominal approach. Transabdominal female pelvis ultrasound performed through the acoustic window named as urinary bladder. It must be full enough. The visual criterion of this is then the urinary bladder fully cover the uterus in the longitudinal view. In this exam we analyze uterus and the ovaries. We analyze them in longitudinal and transverse view and measure 3 dimensions of uterus and 2 or 3 dimensions of ovaries. Also we measure the thickness of endometrial stripe, which is so-called M-echo. In nowadays I more often hear the opinions that we can perform transabdominal pelvis ultrasound on empty urinary bladder. By my opinion, that makes sense only in urgent situation, but not in routine practice, because the full urinary bladder moving away intestine loops, which make possible to obtain the critical information for making a right diagnosis. And some people think that transvaginal ultrasound can replace transabdominal ultrasound, and this is not right. Female pelvis ultrasound must be always start from transabdominal ultrasound, and only after we can see transvaginal, if female is not a virgin. Routinely we measure ovaries in transverse view. Nowadays, more and more often, I hear about the recommendation to measure 3 dimensions of ovaries to calculate the volume, which for my opinion is not necessary. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.